these sessions will help especially people like us in the government. For example, today I came here, I was here for 2-3 hours. Various people had spoken from their perspective. So this kind of exposure, sitting in the office, maybe government officers will not get. Definitely this will help us in future in formulating our schemes or in formulating our ideas and taking the health sector forward. The second edition of the HealthX India was on the health infrastructure, the way forward. We had a nice discussion. The panelists were with varied background, right from the Apollo hospitals to Manipal hospitals, from Frost and Sullivan and various Jones Lang LaSalle and other agencies. And it was a quite useful discussion. Basically, the health infrastructure is healthcare in India is supposed to grow to almost 280 billion by the 2020. All the three stakeholders, that is Government of India, the state government and the private sector have to work together, because as of now we spend only 1% of the GDP from the government side on the health sector, whereas the investment required by 2020 to fill the gap in availability, accessibility and affordability of healthcare is quite huge. The investment from government may come to maybe 15 to 20%, but 80% has to come from the private sector. So definitely we have to find many ways on how we can work out a good public-private partnership model by which all the three stakeholders, that is public sector and private sector, will work together and see that all these gaps which are there in the availability, accessibility, affordability and the acceptability of healthcare are bridged by maybe in the coming years, so that we will have good healthcare industry in the country. The health sector, as I said, a lot needs to be done from the government side also, because we normally spend maybe not more than 0.8 to 1% of our GDP on the health sector. Basically, not only spending the direct money from the government, maybe we should think of various other ways of giving some kinds of concessions, incentives for the healthcare infrastructure sector also, like we give it to other infrastructure in the country. We normally encourage everybody to go to second tier or third tier cities, instead of everybody concentrating the tertiary sector in the cities like Bangalore, Mysore and bigger cities. We definitely want them to go to other cities in the state, and there are some kinds of incentives and concessions available from the government side, but health sector as such, health infrastructure as such, maybe we need to do more so that the more and more investment goes into health sector. And as I said earlier, even if it is, whether it is for private sector or public sector, the way health sector has to grow in the next maybe 5 to 10 years, it is not only private sector or it is not only public sector, but both should work together, and especially they should work out a viable PPP model so that we can reach every section very fast.